Now we are going to discuss a particular program. I have written the question at the top. Write a program that will display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't consider the hash. To make these words in comments, I have used the hash. Hash is not the part of the output. So what is the output? Output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. So what will going to be happen? I have declared one variable num and two for loops for R in range 1 to 4 and for C in range of R. First for loop will control the number of lines. First for loop, what it will do, it will control the number of lines, and the second for loop will control the number of digit print in a line. Fine, so we have understood this one. Now what will going to be happen, the value of the num is going to be printed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. Now what is happen, I have three lines, so I have declared the first for loop 1 to 4. We know that one, if I write 1 to 4, it will run 3 times. Now we have written C in range of R. Now this one, this last portion which I am highlighting, this is not the part of the programming. Programming is the program I am discussed with you, that is up to this. Fine. Now this is this portion I have written to make you understand the things how it is going on. Fine. What will going to happen for the second for loop, means which is with the C, for C in range of R. We know that one, at the first time when the program is going to be run, the value of the R will be 1 and it will come inside the second for loop, and by default we know that one, the value of the starting value of the for loop is 0. So the value of the C will be 0. Means it will looks like this for C in range of 0 to 1. Now if it is 0 to 1, how many times this print command is going to be executed? One time. We can run and we can see this one. Suppose I am running this one. See this one. How many times? 0 to 1? One time. Then if it is 0 to 2, then 2 times. Then 0 to 1, one time. 0 to 2, 2 times. 0 to 3, 3 times. Fine. Means what will going to happen when the value of the R is 1 and it is come inside this second for loop. When the value of the R is 1 and it is came inside the second for loop, then actually C in range R means 0 to 1. Now what will going to happen? Print num, the value of the num is 1. End is used to print the digits in a same line. Now what will going to happen? Num is equal to num plus 1, means the value of the num is going to be incremented to 2. 1 has been printed and it has been incremented to 2. This print has been is created to give the line break. Now it will come over here. This loop has been break 0 to 1. One time this one will going to be done. It will come over here in the R. Now what is going to happen? R is 2. It is once again come inside this loop. We know that one, if the loop is break, it will start with the initial value. By default initial value is 0. Then value of the R is 2. Means it is 0 to 2, means 2 times the printing will going to be happen over there. So value of the num is previously it is 2. 2 has been printed. It will come over here. Num plus 1. 3 is going to be printed. Now the loop is going to be break and this one is going to create the line break. Once again it will come over here. Now the value of the R is 3. C is 0. Okay. So what will going to happen? R is 3 and C is 0. So what will going to happen? 3 times it is going to be printed over there. 3 times. Okay. 0, 1, 2. 3 times it will going to be printed over there, and 4, 5, 6 is going to be printed here. Why? Because already it is incremented to 4. Then it will be incremented to 5, then it will incremented to 6 in this way. So it should be clear to you that this portion is not the part of the programming. The programming is only this one. I have to make you understand, I have write that particular portion over there. Now what will going to happen? So in this way it will going to be incremented over there. Now if I make the little bit change, if I make a little bit change over here, suppose I erase these portions. Right now these portions are not required, you have understood this one. So I have erased this portion. Now I'm going to make some changes. Suppose I want to delete this one and I want to delete this one also. Now I have make some changes. See that one here, num is there, I have make the r. Now what will going to be happen? Suppose when it is came inside this, the value of the r is 1. Until the second for loop is going to be terminated, the r will remain as 1. So first it will going to be print 1. Then it will come inside. I know that one in the second 0 to 2 means 2 times printing will be there. And value of the r will be 2. So 2 times it will going to be print 2 2. Then once again it will go over here, the value of the r is 3, 0 to 3. C in range, r means 0 will be the by default starting value and r is 3. 3 times printing will going to be happen over here in the third line and value of the r is 3. So what will going to happen? 3 3 3. So what will be the output? If I run this one, what will be the output? Output will be like this one, 1 2 2 2 2 2 and 3 3 3. Why it has happened? Once again, suppose the value of the r is 1. It will come inside. Initial value of C is 0. Starting value of this for loop 0 to 1 means 1 time. 1 has been printed. Once again loop has been terminated. It will go over there. Fine. Value of the r is 2. Once again come inside this second for loop. Initial value, starting value will be 0 by default, because if the loop is terminated it will start with the initial value. So it will be 0 starting value. Value of the r is 2 means 2 times 0 1, 2 times it will going to be printed, and value of the r is 2. So 2 times 2 will be printed. Once again the loop will going to be terminated. This second for loop, it will go over here in the r. Value of the r is 3. Once again it will come inside this second for loop and the C will start with 0. Why? I have already told you, if the loop is going to be break terminated, then it will start with once again with the initial value 0 to 3. Value of the r is 3. 3 times it will going to be printed 3 3 3. I think you have understood this one. Thank you very much.